Espresso is a UI test automation framework. Um, this is used to automate UI test in the Android application. So this test automation saves your testing time and also it will be more accurate. So in order to use the Espresso library in your Android application, you have to include certain leaps in your build.credit file, that is model level build.credit file. So here I included some of the Espresso core rules and runner plus config packages. Based on your test requirement, you can include those packages here. Okay, so now how the Espresso work is, first you need to identify the UI element. Each Android screen has set of UI elements. First you have to identify the UI element. Then you have to do some action on the DMA. Action can be typing some text or clicking on a button, scrolling in the scroll, etc. Then after you performing the action, you have to assess the test result, whether the expected result is okay or not okay. Okay, so now before doing the test, you have to turn on all the animations in your mobile. So here you go to the developer options and go down till you see the animation. So here in my mobile, both Windows animation and transition animation both are off. So I switched off it. So now this the demo which I am going to show you is from my one of my app in the Google Play Store. Go to Google Play Store. There is a app Farm Shop. This is my app. This app has user registration, login and ordering items. So I will show you few of the tests which I run before releasing to the App Store, and I use Espresso to automate these tests. So now the first I will show you how I do the user registration. Checking the user registration. So this is the name I enter. I am identifying with the ID. If you look at any layout, Android layout file, you have a ID. Okay, each UI element, this UI element has this ID. Okay, so like that here I am identifying the this username, the UI, and I am typing the username. Here I am using the login name. So let me just 20 seconds. So I am entering all the fields, and then finally I am clicking the button, that is clicking the button, registered button, and then checking is account creation is success or not. This is one of the tests. Then there is a order test, that is ordering item. This test will order the items. So now I connected my mobile using the USB. So I am going to run the first registration, then ordering. So this I am doing user registration. I'm typing name, username, and I deliberately given some delay between the actions. Clicking mission success. So in this test, I'm going to order some items and check whether it is placing the order. So it is communicating with the backend and getting the reference number. There is a user order test, so I will run the user order test. So this is connected to the Samsung mobile. It's running a test on the mobile, and this is the mirror. So I'm going to sign in using a test account. Then I'm going to place the order. I'm going to enter some quantity, the place order. Going to checkout screen, my cart, then checkout. Then place the order, and I got the reference number.